Hello again, this is Chris documenting another day of developing this crime analytics platform. Now, for my last video, I talked about my next goal, which was to put the database in a private subnet. So I was able to successfully do that. And I also add a Bastion instance, which is a EC2 instance that I'm using to privately connect to my RDS instance. So this is what it looks like here. So it just required me to create a security group, IAM role, policies, and of course the Bastion. I just used a regular Amazon Linux image. This AMI has a free tier, so I was able to use that. And only because I'm going to log in once or twice a day, maybe not even that much, I figured that this wouldn't hurt to have an EC2 instance. Well, this is the only way you can do it, really, from my knowledge. And I use the lowest tier possible. So this thing will, so another cool thing about this is that I can go into the Amazon console. Hopefully I can show you here. And right now I'm inside of the session manager. Now, session manager allows me to remotely access my database through this EC2. So I can access the EC2 instance. Well, it does have a private IP. However, I can still access it through the terminal on AWS by going inside the account. So, so that's pretty much it. I just checked my data to make sure it was there. Now, on the website, I do have no instance. Now, the reason for that is because the table for recreating the scripts for creating one of the tables did not run correctly, and I have it set to not show it if it doesn't exist. So that's the next thing that I'm working on. I destroy this thing a lot just to basically, I'm basically running Chaos Monkey tests on it to make sure that it's robust and ready for public use. So I'm very close to finishing everything. I'm very excited to get this thing rolling out and getting feedback on this platform so I can help the city out and also serve a purpose in other areas. So once again, thanks for tuning in, and see you on my next one. Take care.